When the material is near the desired dimension, then the second cut file is used. Less material will be removed and the surface finish will be smoother. The same filing procedure is adopted as with roughening, but you will find it necessary to clear the file more frequently. Regularly check the surface for flatness using the back edge of your engineer's square. To obtain a really flat and level result, you must practice the skill of keeping the tool moving without tilting or rocking. Filing is an art that you can only learn by practice. After the practical break, you will learn about using a smooth file and also learn some important tips concerning file maintenance.